Did you know that GDPR affects businesses worldwide, not just those in the EU? This regulation has a global reach, impacting any company handling EU citizens' data, regardless of their location. Non-compliance with GDPR can lead to significant fines and penalties. Companies must understand the global implications to avoid these costly mistakes. GDPR enhances the protection of personally identifiable information, PII. It applies to any data that can identify an individual of the European Union, making it crucial for businesses to understand its scope. There are also variations of GDPR, including GDPR UK for UK subjects. Key definitions include data subject, controller, and processor. These roles define how data is managed and protected under GDPR. Data controllers are entities that decide how information will be processed. Obviously, that is with the consent of the data subject owner. Processors perform the processing under the directives of the controller, and controllers must ensure processors comply with GDPR. This includes managing data protection, lawful processing, and obtaining consent. In some cases, controllers can also act as processors. Understanding these roles is vital for maintaining compliance and reducing risk. Assigning a data protection officer is essential when processing large amounts of data. This role is crucial for managing GDPR compliance and is a requirement. Good news, though. You can outsource the DPO role if you need to or keep it in-house. However, you must understand that if you keep the role in-house, the person holding that role must be adequately trained and certified to perform the job, as well as report to the highest levels of management. Arrakis Consulting has numerous persons who are certified data protection officers with adequate experience in GDPR, as well as we can train your designated DPO if they are not certified. Ensure data protection by design and encrypt sensitive data using appropriate encryption technology. Regular assessments help maintain compliance and protect personal information, but also ensuring that your company has adequate and frequent training on GDPR. Data subjects have various rights also. They have the right of access to their own data, rectify mistakes, and erase their data in certain situations. Transparent communication and consent are key to respecting these rights, as well as timely response to data subject requests. Data subjects can object to data processing and must be notified of breaches. Companies must prioritize these rights to maintain trust with their clients, but also to be compliant with GDPR. Fines for non-compliance can reach up to $26 million or 4% of global revenue, whichever is worse. That means that $1 billion company won't get fined $26 million, but 4% of their global revenue, which will be a lot more. Smaller companies could be fined a full $26 million, which could lead directly to the company going bankrupt. The financial impact can be devastating for businesses and should not be ignored. Beyond fines, non-compliance can damage reputations and restrict business operations. Proactive compliance is more cost-effective than facing sanctions. And if you are curious, you can Google GDPR fines to see just how bad it can be. Arrakis Consulting can conduct a GDPR assessment to help you understand your current posture and risk. This is the first step towards achieving compliance and mitigating risks and is phase 1 in our 3-phase methodology. Implementing data mapping and robust policies for data management will make your life easier. Training staff on GDPR requirements can help ensure everyone is aligned with compliance goals, which can help reduce risk and effort to the company. Arrakis offers rapid or detailed GDPR assessments based on your sense of urgency or how detailed of an assessment you require. Our services can help provide a clear understanding of your compliance status and potential risks. We can provide remediation support and outsource DPO services with certified persons. Our expertise helps ensure your business meets GDPR standards efficiently. Contact Arrakis to ensure your business is GDPR compliant. Our team is ready to assist you in navigating the complexities of GDPR. Let's recap. We've covered the global impact of GDPR, key compliance requirements, and how Arrakis can help. Understanding and implementing these steps is crucial for your business. By prioritizing GDPR compliance, you'll protect your business from fines and enhance your reputation. Compliance is not just a legal obligation, but a strategic advantage. Take action today. Contact Arrakis Consulting at sales@arrakisconsulting.com to start your journey towards GDPR compliance. Together, we can ensure your business is secure and compliant.